So I didn't make an intro before, but I'm in Philly. We got us working around this damn market, right?
We're in Philadelphia's own Reading Terminal, okay? The infamous Reading Terminal.
She don't know where she going.
No, because I get to meet people in here, and I'm a little, you know, congested, but it's okay.
But,
We also get the whites in front of us.
she's fucking ignorant.
Oh, here we go. See, I knew. I was close.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, niggas. With a Z.
Yo, you keep saying that with a Z.
There's two types of niggas in the world. There's niggas with an S.
And niggas with a Z.
The niggas with a Z is the worst kind of niggas. The niggas with the S, they like, you kind of do like niggatry, but you don't like do a lot of niggatry. But the niggatries that you do when you a Z, bruh, like you gotta chill. You need to go talk to somebody, get your life right, because it ain't right.
This is nigga economics right here.
Niggas one-on-one. Niggas one-on-one. Okay?
I can't. But guys, yeah, I'm making an intro because I already kind of filmed this when we went to go get something to eat. But we're going to the Roots picnic today, so we need to go get a charger real quick, portable charger, and then we're gonna come back, get dressed, and go. So we're going to see 21 Savage, the Reed play games. Okay, they were supposed to be there, and then they canceled or whatever the fuck happened, and they're not gonna be there no more. So kind of upset about that. But it is what it is. And yeah, we're gonna see 21. I want to see her, but Ashley don't want to see her. But we're gonna see her.
I don't want to. First of all, I got a problem with you talking to me with your sunglasses on. It's going to be dark. You talking to me with your sunglasses on. It's going to be dark.
Nigga.
And then you want to sing sappy shit. So I'm trying to get turned up and trying to be like real loud. I'm trying to like get hood red. Like they should have put 21 Savage on at 7 o'clock. You know.
What time are you going at 5?
At 6.
At 6?
Like first of all, y'all disrespecting him because he a fucking hood, like ultimate hood rat. So he better got shit turned. But no, y'all want to slow it down with fucking her talking about love and shit. And you, girl, you had like one heartbreak.
She really going off. How you know she had one heartbreak?
She like 12. She's not our age. She like 21. All right, go ahead. One fucking heartbreak gonna tell me about.
How do you know?
Bitch, I should have wrote the songs because I done been through some shit. Okay.
Child, haven't we all? But yeah, I want to see her. It was somebody else I wanted to see too. Besides,
it was somebody that was earlier on. I wanted to see DeVito, but I'm not going out there at 4 o'clock.
Who?
DeVito.
Who's that?
He sang one of them Afrobeat songs.
Like Khalid.
No.
Would they be like, I can't do it? wait, what's the shit? Would they be like? They be like the twins be doing that. They be like, I can't get the leg right.
You never heard this?
Come on with this copywriting. Alright guys, I'm finally dressed and killed. So let me show you the shirt that Ashley got me. These men aren't worth your, because they're not. This is from the Reed, and it says, break up with him. So it's cute. I love it. I'm that cute, feeling real skinny and cute. Y'all ready?
Real hot girl shit.
Real hot girl shit.
She's unbound.
You lucky I can't zoom in. Nigga, we ain't never getting all the way up there.
She keep on sucking like this. All these VDS's, nigga, my sperm work. The bitch so bad, I pot her.
Listen, you cannot take black people nowhere. Niggas is fighting. We don't know what's happening. I don't know if niggas is shooting, but niggas started running and we was out. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, they still running.
Everybody was running and I was out.
Yes.
People walking back though.
Then I was like, oh wait, my friends.
Look, I was out. My wig almost came off.
And I felt ash on my arm, so I was good.
Listen, we don't play. Oh shit, they okay. Get out the way, people.
do? Fucking
Should
rent a
have
car.
hopped in the back to see 21.
There's mad people going back.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
It can't be nobody
I
shooting.
didn't
Come
hear
on.
no fucking body.
I didn't hear
I
no.
don't know if they was fighting. I don't know if a
I
dog
think
was
they might have
loose.
been-
I was
yeah,
scared.
said a dog.
I was scared.
I was
Now,
too.
the
Somebody
shit
lost
that's gonna
their
make me
shit.
mad if it was like a fucking snake or some shit, and you know niggas.
All I know is somebody lost their shoe.
Yes, I know I pushed them by. My wig over.
Sheana was out. I had my eyes on Sheana.
Yes,
Showing. Then I
right.
had her behind me. I was already.
And then I was like, wait, my friends.
Wait. I'm mad though, because I said I ain't want to step on nobody's blanket.
Sheana
I'm supposed to
dumbass.
slide on the blanket.
I was
She
the dumbass gonna say, bitch, my wig.
Yes, my shit almost came off. I think somebody grabbed me.
Let me tell you something. If I don't see Joe Button, we gonna have a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen,
I'm gonna be mad. I paid a lot of money.
we
for
just
my
got
ticket.
here. We just got here. That's the shit. We just got here.
Yo, that was crazy.
Girl.
Not even singing. Like you just looking.
I'm vibing. I'm vibing. Y'all need to leave me alone right now. Listen, Joe Budden and them are fucking ratchet.
Huh?
They fucking ratchet. This the type of shit
This is
you
my
get
favorite
into.
podcast though, yo. Like they get shit popping.
This shit is ratchet. They are.
They my cousins in my head. Okay, even Rory was what it is.
I'm not digging it. Like, I don't know what's happening.
This is live and it's like madness.
It's mad shit happening. Oh shit! What the?
Here's the Sean. It's time to go. Cause we still gotta make it back to the hotel and get redressed this day.
Child,
Y'all silly.
it's dark as hell out here.
You know I'm black.
Like, it's a blacky black. Oh my god. The Roots picnic was cute. You know niggas had to start fighting and all that or whatever. Like fake shooting. Nigga.
said,
Oh, it's dark as fuck. Like,
no. That 21 Savage said a lyric and he thought he was really a shooter. That's what it
nigga, 21 was still performing while niggas was running.
21 said, huh?
Okay.
He was like,
Nigga, like,
Look back to see what he was doing.
I heard
When I looked
him.
back to see you, I seen him. That's why I was like, what's going on? But listen, I ain't see LaShawn, I heard her. So she was near, okay? She like, wait, Sean was like, why are we running?
I'm just trying to figure out why we running.
Then she was like,
I heard
where's
her.
Sheana?
Nigga, I was out.
I seen
I was
Sheana.
out. Like, Oop. That little ass is cool. Like,
It's on my portable charger.
oh my god.
Okay.
It ain't on.
I turned it up.
Oh.
There we go.
Ooh.
All right.
Oh, it look like the
Oh, yeah, I got
police.
one on the back of mine too.
Oh my
I
god.
just started it.
Anyway,
I don't
we've been
use it.
standing and walking for hours. Like, my feet hurt. And I'm hungry. So, yeah. We going back to the hotel. The telly. We're trying to get an Uber, which is going to be a task. Because it's mad traffic. But, yeah.